Welcome to the next lesson, Rolling Quarters. You can find these pages on pages 22 to 25 of your planner. Again, like the monthly calendar pages, these pages are totally optional. People who are going fully analog, that is completely on paper, might want to use them. People who are using a hybrid system, that is partially on paper and partially digital, have a choice. You can use these pages or not use them. It's totally up to you. Like the monthly calendars, it's best not to write down every single appointment and instead focus on the big rocks or major commitments that you have. Here's a little bit more detail on how to use them. First, write down the name of each quarter along with the year on the appropriate page. For example, it could be Q1 2019 or Q2 2020, whatever is the appropriate quarter. There are enough pages for 4 quarters, an entire year. If you use the 3 months on the monthly calendars and the 12 months on the rolling quarters, you can view calendar commitments for a total of 15 months ahead. Second, write the months down at the top of each column here in this gray area. Note also that each row is numbered. That represents the day of the month. There's also an optional column here, a narrow column for each month where you can write down the initial for the day of the week, whether it's a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. That's just a little way to orient yourself. Now, write in the key appointments and commitments in the appropriate cell. Again, don't write down every single appointment. There's not enough room for that. Plus, little appointments tend to move around a lot. You might want to consider using a pencil or an erasable pen, like the Pilot Friction Pen. Like the monthly calendar, these pages are designed to help you maintain a sense of the larger context as you plan your weeks and your days. Now, let's go to the next lesson on daily rituals.